Today, I'm draining the hot tub because of a leak and a problem with a valve. This valve right here, this gate valve, even though it looks like it works, is actually disconnected from the slide. The mechanism actually cuts off the water and it has slipped into the closed position, so the jets on this side of the hot tub do not work. And to make matters worse, it's leaking. So my project is to replace the pipe from the heater, control unit, the pump, and to the 6 hose distribution. Let's make that out there. So after this drains, I'm going to disconnect it and take it apart and start assembling the new pieces. Alright, I've drained the water and I have already uncoupled the heater and control unit, and next is the pump T connection, which I've already loosened. So there should be some, well, there may be some water in here. Nope, that's empty. Good. Alright. So then I'm going to work this out of here. I'm going to need 2 hands to do that, so I'm going to set the camera down. There we go. Alright. So now I'm going to need to disconnect all these feeder pipes that go to the jets, and that's going to require 2 hands as well, so I'm going to go ahead and get those disconnected and then we'll take a look at it. So when they've been on for a long time like these, this hot tub is what, 15 years old, heat gun will make quick order of getting them off of this manifold. I'm just going to preheat this last one. Okay, so all of the feeder tubes have been removed. Now we can take the whole assembly out. We can get a good look at that. And this is the valve that was in there. As you can see, there's the gate. And I'll try to do this with one hand. If I open the gate, or try to, it doesn't move, and as you can see, you can't see through this, and that's open, but a little pressure and that thing just flops closed, and now it's open, and a little shake and it's closed. As you can see, the handle hasn't moved. Okay, so we've got the pieces laid out that we use to assemble the new section. And as soon as I cut the pipe, I'll start gluing those together, and then they'll need to set for 24 hours before we can put any kind of pressure on them. Okay, so that'll be next. So we've got most of the pieces pre-assembled. Just cut the Schedule 40 flexible PVC, and now I will make those final bonds, and should match what we have here. Now we have the finished product. So after 24 hours, we'll be able to come back and install it. All the joints been fine. Had to use a hacksaw to cut the flex schedule 40 flex pipe. But other than that, everything went smooth. Okay, till tomorrow. When we last left off, I had to let the pipe set. We did that. I let it sit for 24 hours. It's now reinstalled. Or should I say the new one is installed. There's the valve. I did have to reposition the pump slightly because I increased the overall height of where the valve sits, but that worked out nicely. So anyway, a few minutes we'll have enough water and we'll be able to water test it. Pressure test it. Okay. You see the hot tub is full and working. Turn the aeration. Pump one on high. That was the pump.